Alright guys, so you saw me in another video make the textured clock face with all the mica. Well, this is the remnants of that mica on this clock. I'm going to use polyurethane to pick it all up because I can't use my curing machine. I don't really want to wait that long, so yeah. I'm just gonna kind of rub this in around here. I don't want to do another texture, so we'll just get it blended all around in here. And see how it comes off with the polyurethane.
And hello and welcome. For anybody that's new here, I'm Sandy and this is Two Fat Birds Creative. And for my returning viewers, welcome back. Thank you for staying with me. Thanks again. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Still has some in there. We are going to sprinkle on, although I don't think it's going to show very much, so I don't want to waste that. I do want to give it some sparkle. Where did my sparkle go? Got some of this sparkle here. I don't think this is going to shine through, but just in case it does. A little dusting. Alright, now for our polyurethane, we are going to make 500 mils. Alright, that is 250 mils in there. Let's go ahead and color it gray. And I say gray because I'm going to use some black mica powder. But because it goes white, I don't think it's not gonna show up as black. And when I say it goes white, the polyurethane cures white. I want to make sure I get it all mixed up in here before I add part B. And this is 1:1 equal weight for volume. And the instructions say stir for a minute. Other polyurethanes say stir for 30 seconds. This has a 2-minute working time once you get it mixed up. Now my only problem coloring it this color is now I cannot see when it goes clear. So I'm going to have to do this strictly by counting and feeling when it starts to get hot. And not hot, just starts going warm. Alright, here we go. 500 mil. There we go. And start counting now. Starting to go a little bit warm. Not very much yet though. Alright, we're going to stop there. And now we are just going to pour it right in. Do need to remember to put this over here. And there we go. I'm a little bit short.
It could also be because my table's not level.
Which is why I have a leveling board, but it's too small to fit this big guy. Alright. I will let this sit on here. You will see through time lapse. This will cure in like 10 minutes. And she'll be done. Definitely jelly-like now. All right, we are back. It has been 10 minutes for this curing, and I let it sit another 10 minutes as the instructions say to let it cool down. So now we unmold. Oh, look at all that it picked up. Awesome. Less cleaning I have to do on that one. And now here we go. Oh, that's interesting. I'm not sure why there is a big wave. Oh, I know why. It is because I put that under there. So, not only did it pick up, there is a unique, I don't know if you can see it or not, wave right here. Can you see it? There it goes. But that was because I put this under there because this is not level. So we have a unique pattern, and I don't know that it's going to work with the clock mechanism or not. Oh, look, there's some little stars in there. I actually like how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool color-wise. Maybe not this divot here, but yeah. So that's the back. You can tell it cured up all just white. And there we go. There she be. We'll get her trimmed up. We'll get a, what do you call it? That clock mechanism in here, if it'll fit, and if it won't, I'll come back and tell you that it won't. So stay tuned for the beauty shots. And I want to thank everybody that has tuned in today for this. We'll give it a little deburring over here. And who watches my channel, I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, think about it. It is free and it can help our channels a lot by you subscribing and, of course, you know, watching. I've got a QR code popping up on the screen here that you can click on and just point your camera phone at it to subscribe, or you can go down in the description and smash that subscribe button and get all subscribed up to the channel. That'd be really awesome. All right, guys, stay tuned for the beauty shots. They'll be coming up here just a moment, as long as I can get the clock mechanism to fit in here with this waved thing. Yeah, so guys, thank you again. Get a little close-up of the coloring here. I think it looked pretty cool. And a lot less cleanup for me I'd have to do over on the mold. All right, thanks, guys. You take it easy. Stay tuned for the beauty shots. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.